Hi again, this is Gabriela. We are in week 3 on Moodle for Teachers Eco Session 2018, and in this short tutorial I want to show you how to add an external block on Moodle. So let's go to Preferences, User, click on this. And in the block session you can see that you have block preferences, external blocks, and register an external block. As I have one that I have recently created because I'm planning to start working with blogs with my students, so I'm going to add it on Moodle. So click on register an external blog and notice that you are asked the RSS feed URL. So I'm going to go my blog. This is my blog. It is I am building my blog, so this is only the presentation, and click on this part and you will find this strange thing that I don't want to, but I need this. I'm going to copy and go back to Moodle and paste the RSS feed. The name of my blog is Our Voices in English, my students' voices, and a short description. It is an educational blog. Okay, I don't want to add any tags, so save changes. And you have added the block. So notice that I have two external blocks. They are the same, so I'm going to delete one. Confirm, yes, and there you have only one. This is the one I want, and now I'm going to check. So let's go back to the main page, go to the block menu, block, and block entries, and you will find all your entries. Okay, and I want to show you the entry of my external block here. So if you click on the link to original block entry, you will be in my blog. So hope you like this short tutorial and you find it useful, and see you around. Bye bye.